Hi guys, this is an easy crochet tutorial for beginners. Let's go! First of all, you get your string. You get a good amount, maybe about this long, and then you hook it round your finger. And then you get the longer side and wrap it round the shorter side, so you create an X. Then what you do is you wrap the longer side round the front of your finger, as you can see here. Then you get the back one and pull it over the front one and tighten. You just have to pull these two pieces to tighten, and then that should be a slip stitch. And even if you want to, you can check by just pulling both ends, and you should just be left with a straight line of string. So now you know how to do your slip stitch. This is how to do a chain. So you grab your crochet hook and put it through the hoop or the slip stitch. You tighten your slip stitch like this, not too tight or else it'll be hard to make your chain. So what you want to do is you get your string and these three fingers, so your pinky, your ring finger and your middle finger, grab hold of these, and then your pointer finger goes under the string and round like this. Then you get your middle finger and thumb, and on the slip stitch there's a little type of knot that you want your middle finger and thumb to hold on very lightly, but just so you have hold of it. And then what you want to do is you want to get your crochet hook and point it away from you, so that way. Then you want to put it here where your string is and turn it towards you and pull through your first loop. So let's try that again. So face it away from you, put your hook where the string is, twist it so it's towards you, and then pull through the hoop. So away from you, twist it towards, then pull through. Away from you, towards you, pull through. And then what you should have is this. What's a chain? So make about 10 chains. So as we can see now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 6 more. So away, towards, pull through. That's 1 more. Away, towards, pull through. 2, away, towards, pull through. That's 3. Now I've taught you how to do a chain, I'll teach you how to do your second row. So what you want to do is you want to grab your crochet hook just like before and your string like before when we were doing the chains, and then as you can see there's little holes like that in your chains. So what you want to do is put your crochet hook through one of those holes, and then again like the chain, away, towards, pull through. And now you'll see that you've got 2 loops on your hook, and again just like the chain, away, towards, pull through. But what you want to do is you want to go through both of your stitches so 2 of those hoops. So let's try it again. Through the hole, away, towards, pull through, away, towards, pull through both hoops. So I'm going to quickly finish these 10 and you can too, and then after I've done that I'll teach you how to do your 3rd row. So now you've done round 2, this is how to do round 3. So what you want to do is you want to chain 1, so away, towards, pull through, and then what you want to do is you want to go to the very first hole before this chain, so this one. You put your crochet hook through, so away, towards, pull through, and again you've got 2 hoops. So let's do away, towards, pull through, and then that's how you start round 3. And same goes for round 4, round 5, or how many other rows or rounds you're gonna do. So let's try it again. So through the hole, away, towards, pull through, away, towards, pull through, through the hole, and then away, towards, pull through, away, towards, pull through. So this is what it should look like once you've finished round 3. And of course you can do as many more chains and rows or rounds as you want to. By the way, rows and rounds are the same thing. I just said it differently for some reason. But yeah, and that is 4 easy steps for beginner crocheters. Bye guys!